hard to see. It's kind of dark, but oh well. Brady's the knife man. Lucy, go over there. That's your present.
Best Christmas ever. You want my Jack?
Watch out, Oz. We'll get it open eventually.
Maybe you need some scissors.
Are you, I don't hear that there. You don't want to leave it to the pro?
Oh, what's in here? There's only two presents for
Old Santa?
and Bree.
What's that?
Going all out this year with the
Here, I'll take, oh, okay. I'll take all the peanuts out of here, because that'll be.
All the bubble wrap, and it comes.
You have to open it up so she can see what it is.
It came with free bubble wrap.
Hold on.
Lucy. We can lock it up.
Let me move over here.
Whoa, Lucy. This looks like a car. Whoa, it looks like Lucy got a cool, maybe an RC car. What's this? No more bubble wrap? Lucy, you got a car. A huge car. I think
Oh, awesome. Oh, you know what? Those little people I got you will fit in there. How did Santa know that? Wow. No, her little people. There's more.
Lucy.
Oh, well, she's going to go. That's okay. You can put your people in there if you want. Oh, that looks like a tent that you're opening, Jack.
I know. That is.
Oh, they can go camping.
Hey, Lucy, your people can go camping.
It's a pink tent.
Pink tent.
What the heck?
Santa got me a pink tent. Yep.
Wow.
And it's a green tent. It's pink and green. Look at this huge bulb from my present. This bulb is
That's
huge.
pretty sweet, Luce.
That's for
Here
all
you
your.
go, Lucy.
Oh, cute.
Here's your tent.
What's up?
Lucy, look. And Lucy, look. Wow.
Let's see. Oh, your people are going in there.
Hey. Look at that. Huge RC.
Yep.
Whatever it is.